Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is vegetables. Vegetables, vegetable. So now dear children, now I would like to show you the pictures of vegetables. Now you can see in this picture you can see lots of vegetables. This is pumpkin, brinjal, onion, capsicum, tomato, potato. So these all are vegetables. Children, vegetables are the main part of our food. It's good for our health. It is important for all of us. Especially green vegetables are very important for our health. Now, so one by one I would like to teach you about some vegetables. So the first is PUMPKIN, pumpkin. This is the picture of pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable. It is round in shape. It has a smooth, slightly ribbed skin. It has a thick shell. They have seeds and pulp inside. Pumpkins are a deep yellow to orange color. Now the next is RADISH, radish. You can see this is the picture of radish. It is also a vegetable. It is a root vegetable. Radish are usually eaten as salad. There are many varieties of radish. Some radish are different in size. Now the next is CABBAGE, cabbage. This is the picture of cabbage. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. It is green and purple in color. The only part of the plant that is normally eaten is the leafy head. It is rich in vitamin C and A. Now the next is SPINACH, spinach. You can see this is the picture of spinach. You know children, spinach is a green leafy vegetable. Spinach is called superfood. It is popular food for vegetarians. It is very good for health. It has lots of medicinal values. It is important for skin, hair and eyes. It is also excellent source of vitamins. Now the next is BITTER, bitter, GOURD, gourd, bitter gourd. Now this is the picture of bitter gourd. It is among the most bitter of all vegetables. It is green in color and seeds are small and tender. It is good for our health. Due to taste of bitter gourd, children don't like. But you know children, it is good for our health. So we should eat bitter gourd. Now the next is BRINJAL, brinjal. This is the picture of brinjal. Brinjal is a vegetable which is rich in vitamin and fiber. It is of green and purple color, which is very effective for our heart. Its color is purple and green. It has small seeds. It grows in small plants. It is very good for our health. Now the next is CAULIFLOWER, cauliflower. Now this is the picture of cauliflower. Cauliflower is a flowering vegetable. It has green stem with white flower buds. The part we eat only the flower buds. It forms a single round head and cupped by green leaves. It has a mild and delicate flavor. Most cauliflowers are white. It can be eaten raw, steamed, roasted, and fried. Now, the next is BOTTLE, bottle, GOURD, gourd, bottle gourd. Now, this is the picture of bottle gourd. So, children, it is also vegetable. It has a light green, smooth skin and a white in inner part. The bottle gourd is a vegetable high on water and it is rich source of vitamin. Bottle gourd juice is widely used for the weight loss. So it's good for our health. Now the next is CARROT, carrot. Now this is the picture of carrot. Carrot is the root of the plant. It grows with the help of seeds. Carrot is a root vegetable. It is in orange and red in color. It is very good for our health. Taste of carrot is sweet. It can be eaten raw or cooked. It contains various vitamins. They are usually long, wide at the top and small at the end. Now the next is TURNIP, turnip. Now this is the picture of turnip. Turnip is a root vegetable. Turnip is a round vegetable with a greenish white skin. That inner part is completely white. Most baby turnips can be eaten whole. Now, the next is CAPSICUM, capsicum. Now, this is the picture of capsicum. Capsicum is used as a spice and vegetable. Both we can find in red and green in color. It is closely related to hot chilies. Most are glossy, smooth skinned and blocky. Now the next is CUCUMBER, cucumber. Now you can see this is the picture of cucumber. Cucumber is also a vegetable. They are green and have a mild refreshing taste. Cucumbers have a high water content. It is in cylindrical shape. Inside of the cucumber is light green to white in color. The center of the part is filled with small white sheets. Cucumbers are eaten raw or in salad and on sandwich. Now the next is POTATO, potato. Now this is the picture of potato. It is a vegetable. The part of the potato that people eat, it is called stem that grows under the ground. Potato contains a lot of starch and other carbohydrates. Potato usually has a light brown or yellowish skin and is white or yellow inside. The stem of the potato plant grows underground. It is considered as a king of vegetables. Now the next is ONION, onion. Now you can see this is the picture of onion. Onion is a vegetable. It grows under the ground. It is of pink color. It brings tears in eyes while cutting, chopping. It is eaten as raw and cooked also with other vegetables. It is good for our health. Now the next is tomato, tomato. You can see this is the picture of tomato. Tomato is red in color. It is shiny and smooth that many small seeds. The tomato is green when it is unripe. Tomatoes are rich source of vitamin C. The shape of tomato is round. It has a juicy pulp. It can be eaten raw or cooked. Tomatoes are used to add flavor to cooked vegetables. Now the next is ladyfinger, ladyfinger. Now you can see this is the picture of ladyfinger. So students, ladyfinger is a vegetable. It is green in color and it is long, slender and tube-like shape. It has a sticky structure inside. It is good for our health. It is rich source of many nutrients. It has a white colored round seeds inside. So students, I have taught you vegetables. Now you will study at home these all vegetables from your book. Thank you.